don't know each other who are like-minded to go on places that they might not want to go alone.
Come up with that? I took a adventure on French travel for Connecticut.
Okay, but we need a headline
Okay.
that makes me want to sign up for your service.
Okay, yeah, I got taglines, but not the headline.
Okay, so what was your tagline?
Adventure on.
Adventure on. Okay, so she's got a tagline. Okay. Okay. Adventure on. There you go. Okay, so what might an ad be for Rocio if you think visually? What might her ad look like? Magazine. We got a magazine ad. We're going to come up with 5 concepts for her. And we could do this together as a team each week we got left in class.
Maybe 2 happy people on a really pretty beach.
Okay, so 2 people looking at some adventure, right? They're looking at an adventure and it's a photograph, the stock image, right? And if it had a headline, what might it say? Maybe it just says the tagline.
Maybe the headlines could be questions, like to a traveler.
Like,
Where's that?
what?
Where's that?
Where is that?
Or yeah, or like, looks like fun.
Oh, okay, looks like fun. Okay, so let's write them down. Let's see. Looks like fun. Where? What about oh? Like ooh, right? I don't know how you say that in writing. How do you say that in writing? Ooh, ooh, right? Okay. Oh. Or what about right? What if that was your headline? What if you looked at some beautiful thing and you had some panorama here and maybe just write deep side, there's one. All right. And then you've got your logo here, your tagline here, your website here, and a short paragraph that says, we partner you with people and places that you dream of. Living the dream, right? What if it's, there's a photograph I have of my grandson looking out a window at the clouds of the airplane. That's the little airplane portal window, right? And here's a tagline that says, on to the next adventure. And then it has your logo and Adventure On and the website and a hashtag, right? You've got 2 ads. You may not like them, but we're getting there, right? So no idea is a bad idea. Simone, your brain's actually cooking, I can tell.
Yeah.
She's cooking, it's like brewing. Olga, you with us? You brewing with us? Not really. Raphael, Miguel?
Yeah, because it's also city, we could have the forest and the city, because I'm doing both
Okay.
nature and city.
So we could have, or it could say breathe deep. What if you had the headline that said breathe deep? Because if I'm going to a city, I breathe deep like, oh my God, this is overwhelming, like Times Square. But if I have breathe deep and I got a bunch of trees, right? It's a different meaning to breathe deep. And you could just change your images, but same concept, breathe deep. Yes.
And maybe also something with, because the tagline is adventure on, right? Maybe something with the switch, adventure off, adventure on.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so clever. She's so thinking for you. Okay, so it might just be. Yeah, right. What does a switch look like? It's got that. It's got that. It's a little box, right? How's my switch? Was that there? Adventure on. adventure on, or something off.
Yeah,
Stress
maybe like-
off, adventure on, or,
Or maybe even like, I don't know if you have, this doesn't really apply to the magazine, but if you have two posters, and one could be adventure off and it's like a really boring scenario, and then
Right.
adventure on, and then you see them.
oh, that's a good idea. So an office switch, so it's a photograph of how about a photograph of an office, right? So an ugly, dreary office, or your computer, your laptop that you're stuck at all day, tethered, and an office or a computer, and then you just write the word off, and then the next campaign message is adventure on, right? So that to me is 5 concepts of an ad campaign. Do you get that?
Yeah.
We do that creative thinking. I did have done this actually. It's a different class, so it's not 114.
No, the creative thinking was how many ways can you draw an apple, right?
No, it was I have, but I think they draw them out too. Like you get a slogan, and then it's like you had to creatively create 4 different ad
Good.
campaigns.
Okay. So, yeah, good. I mean, you should have the brainstorming in every class, even typography. You had to brainstorm your approaches to things. You had to brainstorm how to execute your 6-word memoir. For none of you had typography when we did menus and logos and stuff, but you had to brainstorm.
I did.
You did. And how was that? That was the same brainstorming. What does your restaurant look like? How do you brand it? How do you put the menu together, right? Same thing. Okay, so for next week, I think once you walk through the door with 5 concepts like this and how to execute it for your brand, you've nailed all the other support materials that go with your Instagram. Because once you've come up with your concept of, let's take the computer lid closing off, and maybe your video for that is the computer lid closes and the scene changes to Yosemite Half Dome, right? I mean, you could totally visualize that. Off, adventure on. Simone, that's pretty brilliant. She's going to steal it, you know.
And then I have like another concept, like you know how the planes have the ads because it's a plane and it's adventure. And
Yes.
Yeah, that's one of my.
Oh, but one of your signage could be
Yeah.
the plane over the beach with it.
No, I mean like the plane for like advertisement, like I don't know how the planes advertise, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, with my tagline.
Okay. So do you guys, okay, so John, can we turn off this video? Staring me in the face. Thanks. Thank you. So, do you get where the campaign stuff should go? And once you've nailed that, it might just be the same thing on your website homepage, right?